to better understand this method, let us take one example. It says that what must be added or subtracted in 6156 to make it a perfect square. What does that mean? That we have to make this number 6156 a perfect square first by addition and then by subtraction. That means we have to do both the things, addition as well as subtraction, so that you can understand it better. So how to find out? We have to proceed in the similar manner. 6, 1, 5, 6. Make the pair from the right towards the left. Again you need the square. You can directly see that 61 lies between 7 square 49 and 8 square 64. Smaller one is 7 square. So 7 sevens are 49. Do the subtraction. It will be 12. Now bring the second pair down and double this number 14. Now you can see that in the table of 14, 125 will be somewhat near to 8 or 9. So we will try for 8 first of all. 8 8s are 64, 6 carry, 8 4 the 32 plus 6, 38, 3 carry, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 1 8 4. Try for 9 as well. It is 1341, which is greater, so we will take the smaller number only. 8 is a 1184. Subtract them. 2 7 72. So 72 must be subtracted. 72 must be subtracted. You can write 72 must be subtracted from 6156 to make it a perfect square. Now 6156 minus 72, this is equal to 4. Zero 6084, and under the root 6084 is equal to 78. Now this is the case of what should be subtracted. Now what will be the case of what should be added? For this we just need to swap the numbers over here. We have to take the greater number. Greater number will be 1341 minus 1256. Do this subtraction. 1341 minus 1256. Subtract them. 11 minus 6, 5, 3, 13 minus 5, 8, 12, 85. So 85 must be added. You can write it over here. $85 must be added to 6156 to make it a perfect square. That is 6156 plus 85. It will be equal to 6241, and under the root 6241 will be one number greater than this, that is equal to 79. That is equal to 79, because 6156 lies between the square of 78 and 79. Why? Because 6156 lies between the square of 78 and 79. Once again I am repeating the procedure. You have to proceed in the similar way when we find the root of a number, and whatsoever is the remainder you need to subtract it to make it a perfect square. But when there is a problem of addition, either you find the next square of it, 78 plus 1, 79 square, and subtract 6156 from it. That is 79 square is equal to 6241, and then subtract 6156 from it, you will get 85. Or what is the another method? Another method is that instead of 8 you take the next number 9, that is equal to 1341, and do the subtraction part. You will receive your answer. And if you want to do it, you have to do it in the way 6156, 7s are 49, 1 2 5 6, here 7, 14, here 9 will come. What will come? 9 will come. Write it here 1341, and then find the difference of the two numbers. It will be, if you do the direct subtraction, it will be minus 85, or swap the number and then do the subtraction. It will be equal to 85. This is your correct answer. So I think this might be clear to you how to find a number which must be added or subtracted to make a given number a perfect square.